Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Take a look at SIGA, guys, S-I-G-A. So it had all sorts of news yesterday. Who knew there was something to do with monkeypox in the world? But anyway, this exploded yesterday. Take a look at it on the daily chart. There it was yesterday. Now, granted, it got up to 981 and it was down to 785. So this was very, very whippy. For the whole day, really. But this is one that, most of us in the room, I had this thumbnailed on a thumbnail chart to make sure that I wanted to make sure, I wanted to see what it was going to do today, especially if it could take out yesterday's high. But what makes this trade so great? Obviously the news and all, but you'll hear us talking a lot about trying to identify an alpha stock. An alpha stock is a stock that basically kind of trades on its own. It doesn't really care what the rest of the market is doing. It doesn't really care what its sector is doing. It basically trades on its own. And here is a definition of an alpha stock. This is the SPY. Now, unfortunately, the SPY at the beginning, this is the pre-market SPY, and we were in for a nice gap, actually, a gap up. But look what happened once the market opened. The market has just been steadily selling off, no bounce whatsoever. Had a little green bar there, a little one there, but the market has been selling off. But look what SIGA has been doing. Okay. Now don't get me wrong. It's been a challenge because the topping tails and the bottoming tails, but its trend has been up all day. Whereas look at the market. So this is your classic definition of an alpha stock. And Trade Ideas, we're so good at identifying alpha stocks because a lot of the things that we see, a lot of it is to do with the float. Though the float this time is 41 million, so it's not like a large or a small float. But we can just identify the abnormal volume. It's trading 140 times normal. 148 times normal in terms of volume. So we can easily identify that. Now, does that mean that they're going to do exactly this? Of course not. But it's a great way to use Trade Ideas to find stocks that are the alpha stocks of the day, trading on their own, not caring too much about what's happening with the rest of the market. So that is what made this trade great, as well as the fact that there were so many people in the trading room that took advantage of this one. Big percentage move. All right, everybody, I do want to get back into the room. And now if you're getting this email, I don't know at what time you're getting. There is still time to sign up for the test drive. You'll have all next week. You'll have 5 trading days. It will still cost the $11.11. And so you can still sign up for the test drive. And let's see, I think that's about it. There will be a new promo code for next week. But there's a holiday on Monday in Canada, but I will be in the trading room, and there's no holiday on Monday in the United States. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room at 8 o'clock Eastern Time in the morning, of course, on Monday morning. So again, have a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.